তাহলে লিকুইড হয়ে যাবে। তো আচ্ছা এসওপি শুরু করুন, সবাই আসছে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
SOP, the SOPs stand for Standard Operation Procedure. Have you ever write down SOP? Written SOP means Standard Operation Procedure. So the moment guest will enter the lobby, so this is known as lobby. This is known as lobby. So in the lobby section, what we exactly see at the lobby, the public area, and where we actually see the luggage trolley. But here we don't have the luggage trolley. We already order for that to bring that to luggage trolley. Apart from that, we have a kind of sofa. In kind of they can get comfortable themselves. And however, for the lobby area, we have typically a welcome drink bottle. In order to we can offer the guest, please have some welcome drink. So suppose I am the guest over here, I'm just coming over here and asking for the check-in and reservation, and you have to opt accordingly. So how can I access to you, whether I have booking or not? So this is how you can approach me. So you guys comfortable or not?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now the thing is that the moment I'm coming over here, just you have to ask, sir, do you have any reservation? Or this is how you can make them approachable. Not like why you coming in my hotel. It's not like that. So suppose I'm just coming over here. So I'm just coming, and you make sure you should have all the plastic smile. No matter how much you depression or not, but you have to wear a plastic smile. And then namaskar or the good morning, whatever is not comfortable. As per the Hyatt agency or the Marriott, they feel good morning. As per the airport, they feel bonjour. And ITC is namaskar. If you always see ITC, well, because they have the namaskar trademark. So all the particular hotel, they depend upon different circumstances. Anyway, I'm just coming, and just give me a great hospitality to me in order I can get. Okay, please. Okay. Namaskar. So I have a reservation.
Please wait.
Okay.
Check and
So the first of all, I have reservation for the couple of nights. So I have to couple of night booking, and my another sharer who is still waiting to come. So I believe that she will come at the time of night, approximately 1 a.m. So is there any kind of difficulties to come at the very morning? Okay.
no, ma'am. No. So.
Okay, no issue. No issue. That can be happen. Another thing, see, while you speak, you have to maintain very style of mouth. Okay. As a teacher, is nothing okay. Okay. But you have to always remember. Even at the time of levy, once I told at the point of guest, no ma'am, but we actually angry. Why ma'am? I was so please make sure don't make the mistake again and again. So the moment I'm asking you, okay, I have a reservation, the first thing you have to ask, can I know the booking name or the booking ID or the booking number? Get my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So the moment I'm asking you, suppose you guys are reservation or the receptionist, so this is receptionist information name, this is the concierge. So this is very small criteria, so you have to make sure that okay, a small part over here. So this is reception, concierge, and the reservation. So the three of three. So he make me welcome. He make the reservation, and you are the over here as the concierge. Concierge who takes care of the luggage. Suppose I'm over here at the check-in, and my luggages are left, and you send someone luggage boy or the bed boy to bring my luggage to my room. So this is your work. So the moment you come to the reception of the lobby area, you make welcome. Welcome. Please start your phrasal. That is known as physiology. Physiology means whatever you have to tell, you have to memorize. It's all about like acting. As like actor and actress, is already action, night camera action. The same thing we used to do in the front office. We are all presentable, look beautiful, look handsome, and you have to make acting like skill. So whatever you make the family disappointed or the depression, just forget about it. Have a plastic smile and speak profusely and articulate each and every word very beautifully. And have a plastic smile along with the sweet voices. Suppose I'm a young boy and you just are a young girl. So once ever you speak, you should have a voice modulation. What is voice modulation? Hello, sir. It's not like a raise your voice. Speak slowly and politely. So please, can you repeat again?
Yes.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Yes, sir.
Namaskar. So basically, I have a make a reservation for a couple of nights. Can you please stay?
Yes, sir. In ID and.
So basically, my booking name is Auto Metro, and can you please go ahead with the system?
Yes.
You just need to check down the system. So just make it active. Okay, this is how it is made to acting. It's all about make the acting, how beautiful you do the acting, and I believe the female staff and make beautiful acting than the male. I believe, and that's why most female staff join in the front office more than boys. Anyway, so the moment I'm asking you, so I have a reservation, just go ahead to the system. Make sure, okay, when no last minute or come intro, so intro, you just say, okay, you in you have a reservation in my reservation book through Agoda, Make My Train, or the company booking. That already shows by your system only. Now the thing is that the moment you get your reservation through your system, now what will you offer me? Any idea? What kind of thing you will offer me? Definitely, welcome juice. That is known as welcome drink. So each of the state has their own welcome drink. Suppose Kolkata has their own tradition like Panna, mango drink, the ripe mango. And if you go to the Goa, there has a kind of kokum juice. Kokum, that is looks like grape juice. So each of the state has their own tradition and the varieties that make guests comfortable. Okay. Now the thing is that so just you offer me the welcome drink and you tell me okay please be comfortable have some welcome drink. So already you already done the formalities. Now what you have to ask me again? May I have your ID card? That's the second thing you have to ask. Then after giving my ID card, you have to scan those things whether Xerox or the scan or someone some of the guests may not have the ID card. They have soft copy. So you can also ask, can I have your phone number in order that I can get the soft copy? You don't know what is hard copy and the soft copy? Soft copy, that's the copy that is inside in the phone. That is not in the hand. That is not a soft copy. The hard copy that is in your hand. Okay, so there are some of the guests who have soft copy as also. So you have to ask, can I have your phone number in order that I can give you the soft copy of the hard, you can revert me back. That is known as soft copy of the hard copy. So after completing your documentation, what you need to do? You have to ask, sir, what is your preference? Whether smoking or the non-smoking? Clear or not? Mike, it's clear. So after, suppose I'm giving my preference. Okay, myself I need non-smoking. So that room should be non-smoking. No kind of smoking smell. So you have to cautious about that. If a guest asks you that I need a non-smoking room, so particular room that should be non-smoking smell. So for that purpose, you have to cooperate with the hospital take. So I'm giving you like 205. So whether the room is asset place or not. You may have the system shows, okay, the system shows you the particular room is non-smoking. But still, you have to again recheck with the hospital department, okay, this room is any kind of smoking or non-smoking, whether this is asset place or not. You have to be double checked. Because if a case may complain, then your entire hospitality will be bad or the worst experience. So you have to process. Yet now you're clear or not? Clear? So, and the last thing you have to ask, after giving my ID card, after giving a preference like non-smoking or smoking, and the last thing you have to ask, okay, this is your room number. If I'm not a female, don't call the room number. If I am a male, you can definitely ask, this is your room number 205 or 305. And last thing you have to ask, sir or ma'am, do you have luggages? So definitely I will tell you, okay, yes, I do luggages. So can I send someone? So then you have to ask, can I send someone? I will say definitely send someone. So you will bring someone as a bellboy who can help me out to bring those luggages into my home. Clear or not? So can you please do the same thing without any kind of interruption? Thank you so much. So I'm just coming over here. Namaskar. So I have a reservation. Can you assist me?
Yes, listen.
So my reservation name is Auto Metro. ARCE
Self-reservation या company reservation?
It's company reservation already. It's already been mentioned in the system. Okay. No issue. No issue. It's been happened. So it's already been mentioned. This company reservation. Okay.
Oh.
My ID card, right? ID. So basically my ID. This is my ID. This is my ID. So say okay. Another thing that I have to mention. Please give me my ID. Once you giving someone the ID, not like that, not like that. This always should be that. Okay. This is the proper way to give the ID. Okay. So this is my ID. So as a guest, I can give you any type of, but once you giving me back as a guest, always should be that kind of gesture. Okay. Alright. So I'm giving you my ID. So please do scan because I am very hurry and very exhausted. So I have to give my room. Please.
So, please you wait and have some.
Certainly. I'm very pleased with your hospitality. I will definitely come back to your hotel again and again. And please do some first. Whatever formalities that is left, please do some first. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Sir, what kind of smoking? Yeah,
No smoking always.
housekeeping.
Yes, housekeeping. Each and every hotel has their own housekeeping extension number. So it can be 211, 311, whatever. That and as a guest, I don't know.
Hello. So,
It's not hello. If it is Namaskar, you start with a Namaskar. So always once you pick up the call, Namaskar housekeeping. It doesn't matter whether it is guest or the employee. It should be start with a Namaskar. Clear or not? So don't say only guest and Namaskar. Already the employee also Namaskar. If you use your SOP is Namaskar, you have to ask Namaskar to everyone. Please.
7500. So, consider this thing. It's not smoking. Any smoking aspects?
How many minutes it take? How many minutes it take?
I think so.
Please do some fast. Was I able to get my room now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I have my room number? Okay, you give me my key.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue. This is the key. No issue. Don't worry about the law. This. Okay, this is the key.
So, this is
Can you give me my room number?
room number is 5 sir.
And another step, another thing to work with. This is another lady. So it's 3 days. Thank you, thank you. And my another occupancy, actually my wife is coming. So at the time of 1 a.m. So there will be no issue, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
And may I know another thing like will I able to get my dinner right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At 24 to 7?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.